This is my laser top dressing machine, and this is how I use it to level bowling greens. It uses a rotary laser level to accurately place thin layers of soil on only the low areas of the green, to a maximum depth of 10 millimeters. Typically a green will be playable 3 to 6 weeks after leveling. This allows leveling to be performed during the mid-season break or when the season is over. The first step is to perform a baseline survey to identify where the high and low areas are. The machine is then adjusted to spread soil over the lowest 20% of the green. Typically about 3 tons of soil is used during the process. Once all of the soil is down, a broom and 2 screeds are used to create a smooth surface. The broom feathers the edges to reduce stepping. The steel screed removes the major corrugations, while the carpet screed removes smaller imperfections such as footprints and wheel marks. Some greenkeepers will do a full green top dress in conjunction with laser top dressing to help maintain consistency across the green. Small improvements to the green will be noticeable after the first laser top dress, but several applications will be necessary to fix larger issues. This green was levelled over the mid-season break and was playable after 4 weeks. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions.